Welcome back to Counselor Study Hub, where our mission is to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to pass those exams and embark on your fulfilling career as a professional counselor. Let's jump into these 10 tips that will set you up for success. 1. Create a study schedule. Develop a structured study plan that allocates specific time slots for different topics or sections of the exam. Stick to the schedule to ensure consistent and focused study sessions. 2. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. Understand the format, structure, and timing of the licensing exam. This will help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. 3. Review the exam content outline. Obtain a detailed content outline of the exam and use it as a guide to prioritize your study topics. Focus more on areas that carry higher weightage or are more challenging for you. 4. Utilize multiple study resources. Gather a variety of study materials such as textbooks, study guides, online resources, practice exams, and flashcards. Utilize different resources to gain a comprehensive understanding of the exam content. 5. Practice with sample questions. Engage in regular practice with sample questions or past exam papers. This will familiarize you with the exam structure, boost your confidence, and improve your test-taking skills. 6. Form study groups or find a study partner. Collaborate with peers who are also preparing for the exam. Discussing and explaining concepts to each other can deepen your understanding and provide support and motivation throughout the studying process. 7. Take breaks and rest. Ensure you schedule regular breaks during your study sessions. Taking breaks allows your brain to recharge, process information, and maintain focus. Also, make sure to get enough sleep to optimize your learning and memory retention. 8. Create study aids. Make use of visual aids, mnemonic devices, and diagrams to enhance your understanding and memory of key concepts. Summarize important information in your own words to reinforce learning. 9. Practice time management. Simulate exam-like conditions when taking practice tests by setting time limits. This will help you develop a sense of pacing and improve your ability to answer questions within the allocated time frame. 10. Stay calm and confident. Exam anxiety is common, but it's important to stay calm and believe in yourself. Practice relaxation techniques, positive affirmations, and visualization exercises to manage anxiety and maintain a confident mindset during the exam. Thanks for watching. Comment down below a few exam tips that have helped you prepare for the exam. Be sure to share this video and subscribe for more free and helpful content.